Every year, thousands of young Kenyans graduate, full of dreams, full of hope. But for many, the reality hits hard. The search for a job turns into months, sometimes years, of waiting. But amid this challenge, some are rewriting the story. One alumnus of Strathmore University is proving that innovation, courage, and purpose can create not just jobs, but opportunity. This is the story of Kenneth Karuri, the founder of 720 Holdings, and how he's turning challenge into change.
Hello, my name is Kenneth Karuri Kariuki. I'm a co-founder and CEO of 720 Holdings. 720 Holdings is a company that produces curtain rods, window accessories, and also architectural paint under 3 brand names. That is Executive Curtain Rods, Set Paints, and Sunwatch. What inspired me to start 720 was the need for designing intricately designed metal products, and we started by making furniture, windows, and all that, but we narrowed down to curtain rods and window accessories. So basically, it was about engineering and reverse engineering. The other reason as to why we started 720 was to create employment, one to ourselves and to earn a living, and the effect of that, years later, 10 years later, is that now we have a bigger team. At the moment, I would say the number of people that the company has employed directly is around 50 people, out of which a majority are youth. Around 92% are youth, around 48% women, then around 50% men, then 2 or 3% persons living with disabilities. The impact of the business in the community has been, one, the direct jobs, 2, the indirect jobs to the people affected. Then the other thing would be, you find that in the community, we saw some of the raw materials from the community. So that's the other impact that the company has had. Unaona kale kapati nilikuonyesha pale? The biggest challenge, as I was talking to my friend, was about managing people, but it's something that you learn over time. The issue on, say, power, I remember there's a time power was affordable. Right now it's slightly high, but at least we're able to transition to solar. That has enabled us to save on cost. Looking back, the biggest lesson from Strathmore is the work ethic. I think that's one of the things, and caring for the human person. Yeah. By the mere fact of being able to provide wellness activities or even that lunch or tea break, that's the human element that I bring, that would attribute to Strathmore. But the biggest one is the ethical bit of running the business and the inspiration from a few people that I know in Strath on their hard work, on the value of work. It's something that I really attribute to Strathmore. Yeah. In the next 5 years, as stated in our board, I would want 720 to be listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. That's an ambitious goal, but I would want to share the knowledge that we have as 720. The legacy is to be a company that will be beyond our generation. Being nominated first is an honor. I think I'd given up. I wasn't sure whether I would make it. But I said, let me put in my application, because I wanted to showcase what it is that entrepreneurship has done. And with my background in accounting, because in Strathmore I did a CCA, with my background in accounting, what effect has it had? I know, yes, I have an engineering background as well, but the nomination gives me the chance to showcase that it's possible to be a good entrepreneur. I mean, it's possible to utilize the skills that you gain from Strathmore, from ISB, because right now I interact with ISB a lot. I'm able to showcase that through the nomination.
Entrepreneurship Excellence Award, Strathmore University Alumni of the Year Award, the winner, Kenneth Karuri Kariuki.
Our core value, one of the things that we really focus on is manufacturing for Africa. Can we create jobs in Africa? Can we manufacture? Right now, yes, we're in Kiambu, Mwehoko, but can we do beyond Nairobi? Can we do beyond Kiambu? Can we do manufacturing for Uganda, Tanzania, and all that? So capacity building towards manufacturing for Africa with global standards.